Hey everyone, it's been a while. If you are someone who's very interested on graphic designing tutorials, most especially on Canva tutorials plus freelancing tips, you're definitely in the right place. I took a little break from YouTube. I don't know if you noticed, I've been MIA for the past 2 years to recharge and focus on my personal life and also for my mental health. But I'm back and I've got fresh new content lined up. For those who don't know me, call me Hazel. Hacel. Hazel. And I make graphic designing tutorials, most especially Canva, and navigating the freelancing world. Whether you're a coach or a freelancer, I've got tips, hacks, and tutorials that will make your life easier and more creative. As we all know, a lot has changed on Canva and freelancing space. And I can't wait to dive into what's new, like the AI-powered tool called Magic Designs, and also the brand hub on Canva, and a lot more, which we will dive definitely on the next coming videos. So I'm not here on the past 2 years, and I really love to hear from you guys. What are the things that you're very excited to learn or to watch? What are your thoughts on these new features inside Canva? And a lot more. Whatever. Drop every thoughts, every comments that you have in mind on the comment section and let's get the conversation started. Again, if you're interested on graphic design tutorials, freelancing tips, if you are a coach or a freelancer, do not forget to like this video, subscribe definitely, and hit that notification bell so you will always be updated on my next coming videos. I'll see you soon.